everyone. My TAP project is about plastic pollution and how to reduce the use of plastic. So what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environment that adversely affects wildlife habitat, and humans. Plastics are inexpensive and durable, and as a result, levels of plastic production by humans are high. However, the chemical structure of most plastic renders themselves too resistant to many natural processes of degradation, and as a result, they are slow to degrade. Together, these two factors have led to high prominence of plastic pollution in the environment. Plastic pollution can affect land, waterways, and oceans. It is estimated that 1.1 to 8.8 million tons of plastic waste enters the ocean from coastal communities each year. Living organisms, particularly marine animals, can be harmed either by mechanical effects, such as entanglement in plastic objects, problems related to ingestion of plastic waste, or through exposure to chemicals within plastic that interfere with their physiology. As of 2018, about 380 million tons of plastic is produced worldwide each year. From the 1950s up to 2018, an estimated 6.3 billion tons of plastic has been produced worldwide, of which an estimated 9% has been recycled and another 12% has been incinerated. This large amount of plastic waste enters the environment, with studies suggesting that the bodies of 90% of seabirds contain plastic debris. Some researchers suggest that by 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the oceans by weight. As we can see, protecting the environment by reducing plastic is very important. So how can we reduce the use of plastic? There are already people taking action into reducing the use of plastic. For example, some cities like San Francisco banned the use of plastic bags, whereas some cities like Washington, D.C. made plastic bags more expensive so fewer people use it. These are the ways that government is contributing to reduce the use of plastic bags. Another solution is to use an eco-friendly plastic bag. I found out that there is a company in Indonesia named Aviani Eco created an eco-friendly plastic bag. It is made out of cassava, the vegetable root which is a staple in the diets of many Africa, Latin America, and Asia, but which can also be used in manufacturing. The plastic bag can also dissolve in water, so it won't harm the environment. I feel this is a really interesting product because if this product is released, it would make a huge contribution to the environment. I found another solution online which talks about how plastic can be turned into fabric. This technique allows plastic bottles to be reused and turned into reusable fabric. This can be a way to recycle plastic and reduce plastic being excreted into oceans. The last solution I think is really interesting. I saw an advertisement made by Brita. Brita is a company that sells water purifiers. The advertisement claims that the ocean is polluted by plastic. The solution to decrease the use of plastic bottles is to use their water purifiers. This is more of an advertisement, but it does make some sense. To conclude, it is everyone's job to save our environment. We should start now before it's too late. In short, we see how plastic pollution is ruining everyone's life on Earth. We must take major steps to prevent it. We could use alternatives like cloth bags or paper bags instead of plastic bags. If we're using plastic bags, we could reuse it. We must avoid drinking bottled water, which contributes largely to plastic pollution. The government could also put a plastic ban on the use of plastic. All of this can prevent plastic pollution to a larger extent. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation gives you an idea on how plastic is affecting our environment. I hope you could join with me to use less plastic and make our Earth a better place.